Hi everyone, I'm Suresh Bhagavatla, an Associate Professor of Entrepreneurship at the Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore. You may have had thought about setting up a venture, starting out your own many times in the past, but if you had no idea how to start, this course is going to give you that path, a gentle path that you can take in order to start your venture. In this course, you will listen to my lectures. You will also do a lot of thinking by yourself. You would listen to videos that we have of entrepreneurs. You will also go out and talk to customers, and in this conversation, you're going to evolve your idea. We will very gently take you from one step to the other, and you would hardly notice the stress of actually coming with an idea that you can start your venture with. Welcome and come and join this program.